Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, folks, welcome back. We're looking at forming equations. Practice type 24.2. Two other styles of questions now. Okay, let's have a look at how we interpret these words now, changing them to. So, first of all, we have, oops, I did want an orange. So, 6 gets copied as 6. Okay, let's have Iqra. Is means? Equal. Now, the next word here, you have to be very careful because actually it's slightly a bit tricky. It says 5 times smaller than. If something is 5 times smaller, even though they've mentioned the word times, it's not actually talking about times, it's talking about dividing. So if you want to make a number 5 times smaller, the number is the x part. And to make it 5 times smaller, what do we do? Divided by 5. So this part means divide by 5. This part here is our x. So 6 is 5 times smaller than my number. So let's see if Anam can help me in this question here. Anam, I want to work out the x. It's been divided by the 5. Opposite of divide by 5 is? Times by 5. Well done, Anam. So that will give you 30 is equal to the value of? X. Excellent. Next question. So we have 150. That's 150. Is means equal. Now it says here 3 times larger. 3 times larger actually means times. It means times than this number. So the number we can call it x, and 3 times larger really is times by 3. So it's going to be really
x times by 3.
X times by 3 or 3 times by x. We will write as 3x to make it simple. 3 times by x. And if you want to, oops, we can put in a little times in there. If that makes you happy.
It's not happy.
Okay, now, Mr. Bilal, opposite time by 3 is?
Divided by 3.
Okay, Anam. Okay, let's see Anam knows this one. What's 150 divided by 3? 150 divided by 3, Anam is?
50.
Well done, Anam. Okay. And that's bringing us towards the end of our lesson. Okay, and we'll close on that particular video. And we're going to do possibly. We've got a few more minutes left, actually.
So we'll make one more question. That's it.
Okay.
Nah, let's. No.
Okay. Right. Okay. Let's just start. A second. Okay. If we add, here's the next question. If we add the number of sides of a hexagon, now, how many sides? Oh, didn't want that color. Alright, let's try this. Okay. Right, Ismail. How many sides does Ismail only? How many sides does the hexagon have?
6.
Well done. So he goes, if we add the number of sides of a hexagon to half this number, how do you write down half this number? And then half the number is written as x divided by 2. So he goes, if you add 6 to this, so 6 add to this half this number, it goes, and the answer is 11. Now, what do? We want to work out x. X has been divided by 2, which is called the first action. X has been added by 6. It's got its own add here. So which one do we move first?
Second action.
Okay, and then we don't move the divide by 2 first, we move the add 6 first. Opposite add 6 is? Minus 6. So x divided by 2, Ikra, what do we do next?
X divided by 2, you have to do
Opposite of
times is divide.
Divide by 2 is?
Times
By 2. You're reading it back to front.
10.
Okay, all done. Are we happy with that? I'm going to stop the video now. And you guys can get ready to pack away and get ready to go home.